Hi guys, for today's vlog, we are going to Nagoya, Japan. But before anything else, it's me again, Cedric, your travel and lifestyle vlogger, giving you a list of travel itineraries. Don't forget to follow me here on my YouTube channel for more travel content. So as you can see, we are now lined up here to pay for our travel tax. Grabe guys, first time na inabot kami ng 30 minutes dito. Considering na red-eye flight ito ang trip namin sa Nagoya. So better be early. Even itong pag-check-in namin, mahaba na rin yung pila. After immigration, we decided na dumiretso na sa boarding gate namin 2 hours before our flight. Better na ito kasi minsan nag-iiba-iba yung boarding gate assignment. So at least we can transfer immediately at less hassle na rin naman ito. Touchdown, Nagoya, Japan. Grabe, hindi ko in-expect na ganito yung lamig sa Japan. Ramdam mo kahit na nakadalawang patong ka ng heat tech shirt at nakascarf na ako nito ha. Hello guys, we are on our way to the shuttle na maglilipat sa atin sa Terminal 1. Sa Terminal 1 because sasakay tayo ng Chubu Center na train going to Nagoya City Center. So right now ang lamig dito sa Japan is nasa 4 degrees Celsius. That's the ground temperature, right? So hanapin na natin yung shuttle. Alam niyo guys, yung ground temperature na 4 degrees. Sobrang di kaya. Lamig. Naka-heat tech na ako nito. Pero tumatagos pa rin sa buto yung lamig. So, yeah. Hello guys, and right now nandito na tayo sa Terminal 1. And we are going to find the shuttle bus na mag-aatid sa atin doon sa express train nila, high-speed railway nila going to the Nagoya City Center. So, see, kung saan tayo mapapalpat. Sorry, lamig pa rin kasi talaga dito kahit nandito ako sa loob ng airport. So right now, tapos na tayo dun sa pagsascan ng QR code ng Chubu Center Express train. So we're going now sa, I believe, sana na to, City Center. Sana.
Thank you for using the Meitetsu train. This is the limited express bound for...
So, we are now done sa Meitetsu Chubu Center Airport train. And since nandito na tayo sa City Center, we're going na sa ating hotel via their local train. So, lipat lang tayo ng local train nila. So, ngayon, nag-hunt lang kami ng ATM to withdraw some money since wala kaming cash. Finally, we are now here at Travelodge Sakai, located at Nagoya. So, natry na namin to sa Kyoto. Napakaganda dahil nakuha namin siya ng promo, 4,000 per night. So, try this one because marami silang pinapamigay ng mga freebies. This is their lobby. So, may money exchange din sila rito. May money exchange. This is their... Ganda rin. Tsaka habang yung this is the check-in counter. So this is their waiting area. Diba ang ganda ng waiting area nila? So, this will be your mga essentials. So, bahala ka na kung gaano karaming kukunin mo. So, here's the room reveal, no? Dito tayo magsistay while we are here sa Nagoya. So, on the left side, you'll see a big mirror. On the other side, you'll see your hanger where you can put your clothes, no? Then, they also have this humidifier, no? Then, yung bathroom nila, this is your bathroom, no? So, you have beautiful and manageable shower area. Tapos, you have your Japanese toilet, no? Here. Then, take note guys that these pajamas are for free. So, pwede nyo yan iuwi. And then, you also have this TV, no? Tapos, you have desk, kettle, and then, a bed na good for two. So, yeah. Basically, yan lang naman ang pero hindi na siya masama dahil 4,000 pesos, di ba? Tapos, nasa city center ka lang ng Nagoya. So, yeah. Hello guys! Pupunta tayo ngayon ng GU and then book off. Ground temperature check muna tayo. So, right now, ang lamig ngayon is 1 degree Celsius. Mas malamig kaysa kaninang tanghali. So, yeah. So, the reason bakit unahin natin yung GU is because we're going to buy something like heat tech na magkakaroon tayo ng added protection for this very cold weather. So yeah, as you can see, very maganda yung city lights ng Nagoya. Lalo lang na dito sa district ng Sakai. Right? Mamaya, ikutin natin to. Wala ko napapansin nyo, pero parang ako nagsisigarilyo. Anyway, baka hindi pa masyado pansin. Okay. Sige, sumama kayo sa tour ko. Tapos siguro late na kami magdi-dinner. Since we have so much time. By the way guys, if medyo mahirap maghanap dito ng ATM compared to Osaka and Tokyo. So ang travel tip ko sa inyo is that look for any Lawson because they have ATM machine. So medyo mas mababa pa rin sa 7-Eleven. Mababa na rin siya si Lawson. We are here now at the mall where we can find the book off and then a GU.
エスカレーターをご利用の皆様にお願いです。
So bakit pa kami? Let's see kung ano mauna natin. So nasa 5th floor nga yung Uniqlo. We're trying to find na lang yung GU. Nice. So finally, we are now here at the book off. Located pala siya sa 8th floor nitong mall na to. So let's try to find thrift clothes and then other stuff. Okay? Let's try to find clothes. It's expensive. Subscribe na. Ano tayo na? Pang guys. Because for female itong mga section dito. Yeah. Karamihan kasi ng mga products dito are branded. So, you'd expect that most of the items here are quite expensive compared to the other thrift. Pero, if you're looking for a branded, tapos discounted yung price niya, I highly suggest to visit this one because they have plenty of good items here. Like this one. This one is Air Jordan to. 13,000 yan. So, roughly nasa 4,000 pesos na lang to. There's other stuff here. Looks good. Even this one. Air Jordan din. These are authentic. Retro high. 8,000 yan. So, roughly nasa 3,000 na lang to. Pero anong size kaya nito? You can find good items here. So, mga branded. So, they also have here Nintendo Switch na binibenta, no? So, discounted na siya, pero I believe parang 10% lang yung na-discount mo rito. Yung mga items. So, parang slightly used siya. Tapos, they have plenty of games. Yung bala rito ng Nintendo Switch, no? This one. 1,400. Roughly nasa 1,000 pesos. So, we are now here at GU, no? Prueba. Anyway, we're looking at heat tech ng mga inner, no? So, for added protection. Ano na? Here guys, ano ba? Let's take a look at this side. No? Unfortunately, wala palang heat tech dito sa GU, so we're going to take a look at Uniqlo mamaya. Pero maghanap na lang tayo dito ng mga dyan. So wala palang heat tech dito sa GU, so maghanap na lang siguro tayo mamaya sa Uniqlo ng mga pwede natin mabili doon. Pero dito, maganda yung mga jacket nila. So kuha tayo dito ng jacket, then yung mga heat tech na lang sa Uniqlo. So guys, bawal palang mag-video dito sa GU. So, palim natin binibideo. Pero, ka-selfie naman. Okay? So, sorry kung hindi ko sa inyo mapakita yung mga items nila. But, very, very good item ng GU. Okay? Tapos, mas mura, mas cheap sila sa sister company nila yun na Uniqlo. Okay? So, yan. Mga stamp lang. Sadly, even yung Uniqlo nila dito is until 8 PM lang. So, siguro bukas na lang tayo mamili. Anyway, yan ang lagi yung pakatatandaan kapag nandito kayo sa Japan kasi maraming stores dito na early close. So, yun. Hindi naman sila sa katulad sa Pinas na ang mall hours sila is 11 PM. Sige, McDo na lang tayo. Dahil wala na masyadong open ng mga restaurant dito, maaga sila nagsasarado. Since wala nang open na restaurant, magmamakdo na lang kami. So yan, sad ang traveler mo. Anyway, masarap naman yung McDo nila dito, so bukas na tayo magdami. So we're going to eat na here sa McDonald's. So I have orange juice, chicken McNuggets, French fries, and then petit pancakes. So very little lang siya. Ito natin. Yeah. Then for the silicone butter, here's the silicone butter. So for you to apply this one, is that you're going to parang ano siya, tutumpukin yung gitna. Tapos i-fold nyo siya. Pero yung pag-fold pa ganun, Pag ganun, ha? So we have dessert na rin. So this is our dessert.